welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make chicken pakoras. This is super good. I have recently eaten this in a restaurant and I fall in love with this chicken pakora. And if you do try this and you're gonna just keep looking for this chicken pakora every day, this is how good they are. Let me take you with ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. Over here I have chopped coriander, fresh chopped coriander, and these are chopped curry leaf. It was frozen. Ginger, garlic. I'm using grated ginger, crushed garlic, a small onion finely diced. Spices. Here I have Kashmiri chili powder, hot chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, just a little bit of black pepper powder, salt, just a little bit of water, a little bit of oil, and rice flour and gram flour, besan. You can just sieve them. If it's too chunky, just sieve your besan. So mine was fine. So to my chicken I'm gonna add all of these spices. We are going to add everything: the rice flour, besan, and now add a little bit of oil, about 1 tablespoon. I would say half tablespoon. That's okay. That's just a little bit. Half tablespoon is fine, but you can do add 1 tablespoon. Okay, now we're gonna give this a mix, and now I'm gonna add the onion, ginger, garlic, curry leaf, and lots of chopped coriander. Just a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons. Now in the meantime you can just preheat your oil, and as soon as we're done mixing all of these, and we can just go fry them right away. You can marinate this chicken and keep it overnight. You can keep it for an hour, or you can just do it right away. I'm gonna do this right away today. Mix, mix, mix. Oil was preheating over medium-high heat and it is hot enough. And now all we're gonna do is just take the chicken pieces and just deep fry, just like that. All the spice mixed together and it stays, they stick to the chicken just like that. Okay. I'm probably gonna fry this into 2 batches, because if you put too much at once, then the oil temperature drop and your pakora will absorb oil and it will not cook properly. And these are chicken breast. You guys know how fast chicken breast cook, so keep that in mind as well. Okay guys, this chicken pakora took me 5 to 6 minutes to fry. You can just leave it more to make it more crispier. If you wanna have it like more crunchy, more crispy, just leave it a little bit more, but otherwise 5 to 6 minutes will be fine on medium-high heat. This is looking gorgeous, guys. And I'm gonna remove this, and I have already removed the first batch, and this is my second and last batch. As you know, this will be done in about like maybe 5 minutes. Everything will be done, because these are so good. I'm telling you guys, look at this. You have to try this. I'm actually gonna try it. Oh, look at this chicken inside. It's so so good. Crunchy, slightly crunchy, tender inside. God, we didn't over fry this because it will be like rubber, since this is a boneless chicken. Written ingredient will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and also click the notification bell so you can have the notifications anytime I post a new video. Hope you enjoyed this video with me, and I will see you next time. I'm gonna go dig into this. Just dip this in the sauce, or just as is. It is so good as is. I will see you next time. Bye.